Hello wannabe mechanics. In this video we are going to show you how to replace the window regulator on a Volkswagen Golf MK5. It is a very simple operation which requires very few tools and it doesn't take long to perform. Window regulators break down very often due to wear or rust. Doing it yourself you can save up money and the satisfaction factor is huge. No need to worry, we will guide you through every step so even a beginner can easily do it.
Don't go anywhere guys, meet you back in the shop right after our short intro.
First, pry out this side plastic trim that covers 7 T30 bolts. Inside this opening there is a T20 bolt. You will have to back it out just enough for the lock to come out. Before popping out the cable of the handle, make sure you mark its exact position so you'll know where it was. With the cable out of the way, you can now pull out the handle. Now you can remove the T20 bolt that was under the handle. Time to remove the 7 T30 bolts from the side. Now the 6 T30 underneath. Six more T30 bolts on the right side next to the hinges. You can now take out the door panel. Now is a good time to check if the new regulator fits. To remove the interior panel, first pry off the control console. Remove the connectors from the windows and mirrors controllers. On the right side there is another T20 bolt that you'll have to remove. And 3 more T20s located down here. Remove the 2 T30 bolts located behind the door handle. You can now pry out the interior door panel. Take out the cable from the door handle. Remove the connector from the speaker. Then remove this connector as shown and the door panel is free. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove these 2 connectors. To pull out the connectors, you have to press this clamp. Use a T25 for the 3 bolts holding the motor. The clamps holding the window are tightened by 2 T30 bolts. Lower the window just enough so you can tilt it and take it out. You can now take out the old regulator by removing the bolts holding the rails. Install the new regulator. Depending on the manufacturer, you may receive different type of bolts than the original one had. Place the motor back and insert the connectors. Slide the window back and tighten the clamps. We can now put the interior door panel in position just to check how everything works. The assembly might need small adjustments, so don't put the outer door panel back before everything works perfectly. To finish, perform all operations shown in reverse.
Thank you very much for watching. Use the comments section for any questions or suggestions, and if you find our videos interesting, make sure you subscribe for the latest wannabe mechanic videos. Bye bye.